back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art Designs. Today is going to be a spectacular video. As you guys saw, I rolled over this 16 by 20 inch canvas with a roller. I am in between painting my large commission piece, which you guys will be seeing shortly. And I came over to an older canvas and I was getting ready to take the roller off, and I thought, you know what, let me just roll on this and cover it for an upcoming painting. But when I rolled on it, there's just beautiful patterns. I only lightly went over here, and I really love this design, which I'm going to stick with and build on. But we have these faux leaves that I just got from Michael's. I had them for a while. I had them kind of displayed outside in like a planter with some little pumpkins. And I also found a leaf, and everything just came together. So I just thought, you know what, the universe is telling me to do this painting. And I absolutely love these colors. As you guys know, I paint in them often. And I thought it would be really fun to do like a nature abstract painting. And just look, I mean, these colors, these vibrant, beautiful colors are so stunning against a black backdrop. And just the beginning of this design is giving me so many ideas and inspiring me so much. And so what we're going to do is not just with the leaves, we will use a brush and probably my squeegee as well for some areas. But for the most part, we're just going to have fun painting with these leaves, making some beautiful impressions. And it's going to be very minimalistic. And I just thought it would be so much fun to do. And then we'll see, we'll have some fun with this as well. All this stuff creates really cool patterns. And of course you could do mixed media with it and actually put the leaves on, or some. It would be absolutely beautiful. And then you could varnish and spray it, resin over it. Another thought that came into my head while I was looking at these, but we're not doing today. Okay, so now just imagine the color palette, okay? I'm using some student grade Liquitex fluid, and that's gonna just go with the beautiful colors, okay? And then I'm gonna use a tiny bit of raw umber. And then we have our raw sienna, okay? So just really look at this. So these colors are just going to work so well. And then I have some burnt sienna. I ran out of my burnt sienna for my fluids. I usually don't like to use my high-end paints when I'm just playing around and doing a tester, because this beautiful 1 ounce bottle is $20. It goes a long way, but if you're just playing and testing, I wouldn't suggest doing that, but you can if you want. But I'm all out of it, so I have no choice. So I'm going to be using some burnt sienna. Okay, so just imagine, it's just absolutely going to be beautiful in these colors, which are going to be bright in some areas and then toned down in others. And I'll be using my little plastic squeegee as well as a brush and whatever else ends up popping into my mind.